Welcome back, dear Spectrum Filaments fans. Today I have something special because I will share with you my top 6 models that I like to come back and print again and again and again. Because I'm not selling those prints, I will need to say that they are best printers instead of best sellers. Let's put the dead jokes aside, but I'm gonna show you today some filaments that are pretty cool to know that they are existing. Maybe you heard about some of those, but maybe not. We will see. Let me introduce you to my first model, the Carabiner. Of course, you have many different types, many different features on carabiners, 3D printed carabiners, but this one I am like emotionally attached because this is the first one that I ever printed. It comes with two parts. We have the carabiner itself and we have the latch. And it's super easy to put it together. We just need to know that this part needs to be with this notch outside. Then we're gonna putting outside the one element here and then second one here. Then we can bend it a little bit to the side and it's done. We are ready to use it. And it can withstand a lot of weight because I remembered I was testing those and one single carabiner like this was holding all my weight. So it was about 72 kilograms and I was really surprised that it is so strong. So I used PLA for this one, and it was the silk filaments. I know the silk filaments are known to be very fragile, but this one is working pretty good. And we used the Amethyst Violet PLA silk, and you probably know this spool from before because it's a bamboo lap spool, master spool for the refills, and you need to know that our refills fits bamboo lap spools. We have also our own spools that you can print and they are fitting bamboo lap printers as well. So, win-win situation. Amethyst Violet is the main color, but we also have this one. It's rose gold, PLA silk. So it is a kind of pink stuff, you know, but it is also a little bit shiny and a little bit warm and gold. So I think this will work with Amethyst Violet pretty nice. And I like to use those everywhere I go. In my garage, on my backpack, in my room, anywhere that I need to hang something. I'm gonna link the model in the description because you have different types of this carabiner, different modifications. And the author of this carabiner, it's a very skilled guy, I need to say. So yeah, try to print one yourself and be amazed how good it is. Okay, going to the next model that I really like to use, it's this small clips for the cables or different wires fitting the 2020 extruded profile. So anything like the old printers Ender 3 or even printers that you can buy right now that using those extruded aluminum profiles called 2020, so it's 20 millimeters by 20 millimeters, they have this notch that you can actually attach this small, very small clip. And this clip is super easy to print, it's super fast, it's very durable, you can put, I think, 2 or 3 cables inside. And every time I have something that uses these profiles, I like to attach them, especially in a black color, because those ones were printed with our defilament PLA-CF. This is the one, pretty nice dark color with carbon fiber. It contains about 3% carbon fibers inside. So it gives you this nice texture, it hides layer lines and it's not dangerous to use it as a clips, so don't be afraid of carbon fibers. When you put those clips on your profiles, you can put the cables attached to them and this dark color fits nicely to the aluminum profile that it's painted black and it's a bit matte or satin. So the color is just perfect in my opinion, and also the carbon fiber will give it a bit more strength because you know PLA it's not very good at holding anything but having the carbon fibers version it will help a bit. So try to print it yourself with this filament and you will be very happy. We're gonna put our filament here because the time has come for the one of my favorites. I mean, all of those are my favorites, but I think it's gonna be like the top 2, top 3 places. The crates for batteries. Simple as that, you're gonna put some batteries like AA batteries or AAA batteries, depending what you need. You can also find the version for lithium ion batteries and it's gonna be 18650, right? Something like that. And I have a lot of these because I'm using a lot of batteries. and even having with different texture, with your logo on it. You can find different versions of it. But when we've been in Germany and we had this conversation on one of the expos, one of you guys probably watching it, thank you very much for giving me this simple and genius idea to print it with the green and red color instead of having different names, different logos, different textures. Just these two colors will give you information like straight away which one is good and which one is not, right? The green one, they are charged if they are, rechargeable. And if they are dead or empty, you put them to the red ones, right? So simple as that. It's not going to be so confusing. So it's cool that you can just take it from the red one, charge it and put it to the green one. And it's not confusing anymore, right? You don't have too much baskets, too much crates. But now I'm gonna tell you something even more cooler about this crate, because if you're gonna find stackable version, it's gonna be stackable, right? If you're gonna pick up this leaf green color from our rPLA, and R stands for recycled. And it's not, unfortunately, recycled 3D prints, it's our own materials that didn't go through the selling point, right? I'm gonna be honest with you guys, if we have a bad batch, we are not selling this, we're gonna cut it, mix it together again, put the new color pigment, and we're gonna extrude it again. So this is pretty nice for our environment because we are not throwing away our ingredients or wasted filaments or different colors. We are just mixing them and trying to do something cool for our environment and create new filaments that are basically 100% exactly the same like a new ones. We even have a cardboard spool for it, so it's even more environmental friendly. You need to try it out because you're gonna be amazed how good quality is coming from these filaments. But the red one, this is something even more special. Because this is our HT-PLA from the filament, and HT stands for high temperature. So if you're gonna print it on normal printer, if you can print it even on a bed slinger, it's not a problem. We did that before, we did it many times. The nozzle needs only 210 degrees Celsius and the bed it's only 50 degrees Celsius. It's super easy to print, and straight from the printer it's gonna withstand 150 degrees Celsius for even longer time. This one is called Vivid Red, so if you want to have this set, maybe you can pick it up, because sometimes you need to have heat-resistant filament. You don't want to go for the expensive filaments, you can go with the defilament HT-PLA and it's gonna be more than enough to cover your high temperature needs. That's all from this one, and now we're going to the smaller parts, and the smaller parts are even more cooler because those simple things are just the clips for the bags. You know, the flour, the rice, anything that is in the bag and you need to close it and put it on it. This one, it's so easy to print, so fast to print, and it takes only 2.6 grams, as I saw, to print. And it's the value of this clip is so high that it's funny to even comprehend that you can print something so useful, so fast, and for so low cost. So many times I'm just coming back to this model because I tried many clips, but this one is particularly stronger than others, and they are really fast and very lightweight when it comes to material. And yeah, you can print it with PLA or PETG, it's gonna be fine, but I went a little bit more further and I choose polycarbonate 275 from Spectrum Filaments. Yes, this is probably a bit of overkill to print clips for, kitchen, but still you can wash it in your dishwasher. The polycarbonate is very heat resistant, so it's even 120 degrees Celsius, and it's super strong. It's like extremely strong and hard, so you want to have good parts like this made from good filament. And this is our polycarbonate 275, and many of you was asking what the 275 stands for. So yeah, this is our special compound, and this 275 has its own name. I cannot disclose anything more, but believe me, it's super easy to print, it's very good quality, and the color is just amazing. This is transparent red. So polycarbonate being more transparent than PCTG or PETG, it's gonna give you this nice, really cool effect if you're gonna print something that needs to be translucent. For example, lamps, right? they're gonna be awesome. So try to find our polycarbonate PC275 in our shop.spectrumfilaments.com and pick it up, because I printed something more with it. And those are clips for cables, and they have two purposes. I mean, they have two features. One feature is that you can bolt it with a small screw to, for example, drywall or the wood or whatever you need to put it with the bolt. And then you have this small space that you can put a zip tie. So, you know, the small, fast elastic band that you can squeeze it together. And you have space here for one big cable or a few more small cables. And also using this polycarbonate 275 on this one, I can use it outside, where the UV rays are heating everything and the weather is not that great. So I mean the snow, freezing temperatures, or just water, right? They are very easy to print and they have this nice curvature inside. So if you have like round cable, it's gonna sit pretty good inside and it's not gonna rub against the hard surfaces, I mean the sharp corners, so it's not gonna be damaged. So please check out the links for this model and I think you will be very happy. I'm printing all the time the same 3D model because I also tried different ones, but those are working just the best. Small amount of filament and it's very sturdy, very strong. You can put 100% infill or just 5 walls and it's gonna be working perfectly. So probably if you're gonna come to my house, you're gonna see all of those wings everywhere. Okay, let's go to the last model because those are just lifesavers. Those boxes are cable organizers and probably you can print different sizes. Unfortunately, we don't have wireless power transfer without cables at our homes yet. So we're gonna need to use something like that. So everything is clean and tidy. So we have different sizes. I think this is medium, this is the small one, and this is even smaller one. I scaled it down, the small one, to 80% to get a bit more room to it. And very cool thing about this model, this 3D model, is that you can print it in place. So it's printing like this, and you have a latch. There is a latch that you can close it here. And also you have this mechanism that it sits in place. So you don't gonna break it and it's not gonna fall down. So what you need to do is just put the cable in the middle of it, of a cable inside, and then you just need to turn it. And the cable will go inside in both directions in the same time. So when you finish with your cables, you can close it, twist it, and then you can put everything in one place and there is no more mess with cables. Just amazing work. I print this one, very nice blue color. This is our Spectrum Filaments PETG Premium with color navy blue. Ladies and gentlemen, I think you can use this blue, navy blue color with different models, different use cases, and it's gonna be fitting perfectly. And our pink spool, this is the one that we have right now. And also it's printable, you can find it in our website or even in the description of this video, so you can have it. And it's gonna work also on the Bambu Lab printers, so no problem with that. So you can buy it in a refill, so you can save a bit on the filament. So basically this is pretty much it. I hope you liked my selection of my favorite models. I have much more on my list, but I cannot put everything in one video. I hope you really liked it, and I hope you will see what we have in our shop.spectrumfilaments.com and use our code SPECTRUMYT10 to get it 10% off. If you are one of the viewers that always watch our videos, you probably will find those filaments available because I really checked what we have right now in the stock, so you can immediately buy it and order it from our shop. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and like this video if you like this video, and I hope we will see each other in the next one.